Hello, welcome. I am so pleased you're here with us today. You know what? Today is another day that is full of positive energy and vibration, and it's just growing and growing as we look outside and we see the air and we feel this great energy that is coming out there for us all. Isn't it just enlightening and just inspiring to be able to take advantage of these beautiful, beautiful days that we have? And every day is the day we create. Every day we create a new day. So how you create your day will say a lot about what happens in your day and what you will be getting and what you will be doing. So as you are creating your day, what is going to come forward for you? What is going to happen for you as you are creating this wonderful day? And I just want to give you a fact here. This is a fact. 90% of success, 90% of the success that people have, or 90% of the failure, depends on where you're leaning at. But 90% of success is all about your vision, your feeling, and the energy you are giving to what you want. And when you mix a lot of gratitude into this, you have a winner. Yeah, I can't express that enough because it is so important. I just can't emphasize enough how important it is for your mindset to receive all of your dreams and to make it all come together for you. You can't not go wrong if you are focused and if you are living, I mean really living. Don't pretend to be living, but live. Feel the vibration, feel the wealth, feel how good it feels to feel free. If you're having a problem with finances or whatever it is, take care of it, get it on a payment plan, whatever you have to do, and just pay it off and let it go. Don't focus on it. Don't take it to the next level of too much energy on the negative, because that's going to keep you in the lack focus. And we don't want that for you, because you are an amazing creature. You are an amazing being here on this earth. And why not? Why not take your beliefs, which you create yourself? We all know we all do. And when I realized some of the beliefs I had created for myself in my lifestyle, I couldn't believe I had done that. And when you realize that you have control over all the beliefs you have, the beliefs are made up. They hold no power other than the power that you give them. So if you are giving your beliefs a power over you to hold you back, to keep you down, or whatever it is, you have that power to stop it, to take yourself forward and say, you know what? I don't need you anymore. You are not the person or the thing or the entity or whatever you want to call it. It's your choice that I want to be. I want to be happy where I'm at. I want to have gratitude, and I want to show gratitude for everything I do. And I want to feel gratitude for all that I'm able to give to the marketplace. Because the more you are able to help people, and the more you are able to give and to put yourself forward, the more you will receive back. And don't do it just because it is a like attracts like scenario. Do it because of how it makes you feel. Because how it makes you feel is the whole key. It is, all of it is about you and what you're doing and what you're feeling and what you're seeing. It's all about you. And the more you focus on your mindset, on what you're doing and what you are seeing, and ask Ask yourself this $1,000,000 question. Ask yourself this. Why and what is it so hard for me to reach my goals? What and why? What is stopping me? Why is it stopping me? Is it so hard for me to reach my goals? You will have this answer. You are the only one that will have this beautiful answer for yourself, because you know what you're thinking, you know what you're feeling, and you know what you're doing. I wish I could give you these answers, and if I could, I so would. If I could, but I can't. I can help you along the way with your limiting beliefs, but I can't give you the answers that are inside of you. So, and how about those old beliefs that you don't need, that you haven't changed, that they're holding you back, they're holding you in where you're at? That's why 90% of your success will be a result of the vision you have, the feelings you have, the energy you have, and the gratitude that you have for what you're doing, for what you're receiving, for who you are, for everything about you is all about what you are doing, seeing, feeling, and knowing. And the more you see this and the more you know this, the easier it gets for you, and the easier it is for you to have the $1,000,000 question of, I know why I'm successful. I know why I am creating my dream. I know why I'm living my lifestyle. I know why I feel such gratitude for everything I'm giving, everything I'm doing, everything about what I am. So when you get to that point, when you're there, that 90% of your success, that your vision, that your feeling, that your energy, and that gratitude that you have is going to explode, and it will come. It will come. It takes time. It takes getting rid of the limiting beliefs that are holding you back. And like we just talked about, that $1,000,000 question, the $1,000,000 question is, what is it? Why? And why is it hard for me to reach my goals? Why is it every time I get my foot out there, it gets smacked back down? Why is it that I invest, but I don't see any results? Why is it that I'm not seeing myself receive the success that I deserve? Why? That is a huge question. And you know, it's like we talked about before, it's inside of you. That question is in there, and it's with the limiting beliefs that you have. We all have them. We've all battled with them. And a lot of us have mastered them and taken them away. But they show up. There's a new one that shows up every now and then that is been buried deep down inside of our subconscious. And when we do that, and when that comes more to light, then you will see, you'll change. You will change for the better. You will change who you were. You don't want to be that person. And the great thing is, when you start to make those changes for yourself, when you start to make those changes and become that person that is successful, that person that, excuse me, that person that has the dream, that has the success, that has the gratitude, that has the lifestyle. When you become that person, the people you know are going to look at you differently. And you're not going to see anything different so much in yourself, because you're evolving. And you are that person that you were trying to become. You have become that person. So as you're doing that, and as people are saying, wow, did you get a haircut? You know, did you do something different? Did you maybe lose some weight, or new outfit? Or, you know, they won't know exactly what it is, but they'll know you're different. And maybe you have a thought in there and you're saying, well, I haven't really done anything, just changed my mindset. And a lot of times people will just look at you and say, oh, well, that thing, that doesn't work anyway. I don't know what you're talking about. That doesn't work. It does work. Don't listen to the naysayers. Don't listen to those people that are holding you back. And if you're holding yourself back because maybe you have a belief, this is a question for you. You have a belief somewhere stuck in your mind somewhere. Well, I can't out earn my parents. My parents made, say your parents made $100,000 a year. And you're saying, well, I can't out earn my parents, so I'm not going to get any further than I am. So that's a limiting belief. And a lot of people have that limiting belief because it's been instilled in you forever, for a long time. You don't have to keep that belief, though. You can dispose of any limiting belief that you choose to. And you're an amazing person, and you are so full of gratitude and love and joy that you can just let that explode through you, and it will be enlightening, and it will be eye-opening. It's all a matter of your mindset and everything you can do, because like attracts like. It is a universal law. And I cannot emphasize that law enough. It is a universal law that like attracts like. There's only so much we can do about not attracting what we don't want. So if you have something in your life that's there, like I was saying, if you have bills, and you're trying to get a handle on it, and it's just bringing you back, it's bringing you down because you can't focus on it, and because you can't see that, or we can't do that, get them on a payment plan. Get a payment plan. Get something worked out. Do that. Get them on a bill plan. You're paying it, but it's done. You just pay it off until it's paid off, but you're not going to focus on it. You're not going to worry about it. You're going to let that go, because you know what? It's not helping you. It's hurting you. That's living in lack, and you do not deserve to live in lack. No, you don't. You deserve to live in prosperity. And you deserve to have the $1 million question answered for you. You can answer that. I challenge you today. Answer that question. What and why is it so hard for me to reach my goals? And really dig deep inside of you. Ask yourself that question. That question alone will set you free. It will help you to change those old limiting beliefs, and it will help you to learn that like attracts like. And the more gratitude you have out there, that energy is powerful. It is really, really powerful. When you do this, and when you focus on this, and when you put this out there, you're going to get so much back. You will be so amazed at the feelings you feel, and the things that come to you, and the things you'll be able to do. As I went through this, and I went through this whole thing and did all this, and I do it all the time. I always have something new that pops up, and it's like, where did that come from? I acknowledge it, I let it go, and you know what? I feel like wings. I feel light and airy, and it's like, oh, that was holding me down. I didn't like that. You feel better, and you feel happy, and everything comes your way. There's no other way around it. There's no other way it can possibly work other than to set you free. That's all it is. You set yourself free. Okay, that's your challenge. I would like to see everybody. I wouldn't mind hearing back from everybody out there if how it worked, what you found out, what you did, a testimonial for yourself to say this is how it worked for me, and this is what it did. Do you realize how many people will be helped by testimonials? So please feel free to give us a testimonial on how this is working for you. Because your mindset is your key. It is the key to your business. It is the key to your lifestyle. It is the $1 million answer. It is your mindset. It's just the way it is. Okay, guys, please like and share this video. We want to keep it out there. We want to keep it going. And please go over to YouTube and subscribe to our channels over there. We want to keep everything going. We want this mindset to grow and grow and grow, because the more people that are prosperous, the more people that are successful, the better off the world is. And there's more than enough wealth for everybody. You just have to reach out and grab it. It's there for you. I promise you, it is. Okay, I will see you all later. And again, give us a testimonials on how you're doing, what is happening for you. Okay? Chat with you later.